I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a question on polynomial operations. Explain if x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube plus 8 is true or false. Now there are different ways of explaining this. One, we could substitute different values of x and check. For example, if x equals to 1, in that case, what do we get? X equals to 1 will be 1 plus 2 whole cube, and on the left side we get 3 cube, which is 27. On the right side, this is the left side, right? So let me write down the left and right side in a separate way, and then we'll compare. X is 1. If I place 1 here, we get 1 cube plus 8, which is 1 plus 8 and 9. Clearly, what we notice is that 27 is not equal to 9. And therefore, since we have found at least one value where the equation is not true, we can say that x plus 2 whole cube is not equal to x cube plus 8, right? You can try with different numbers. It only works with x equals to 0, which you can notice, but for all of the numbers, it doesn't really work. In such questions, even if you use one number and prove that it does not work, that is sufficient. That is one way of doing it. The other way is we can actually expand the left side. So we'll begin with the left side. Left side for us is x plus 2 whole cube. Now, some of you who knows the expansion, they can write directly. But what we will do here is we'll do kind of distributive property in the most basic way. So cube means x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2. So let's multiply these two first. So we get x squared plus 2x, then by 2 we get plus 2x plus 4 times x plus 2, and that is x squared plus 4x plus 4 times x plus 2, okay, x plus 2, and let's multiply by x plus 2 all these numbers. So we get x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x. Now multiply by 2, so we get plus 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. Combining like terms, we get x cubed. 4 plus 2 is 6, so we get 6x squared. 4x plus 8x is 12x plus 8, right? Clearly, this is not equal to x cubed plus 8, right? So we have these two terms in between. That makes it different, right? Some of you can actually use the formula, which is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? In our case, it is 2 cube, 2, right? So it is x plus 2 whole cube. Cube of x is x cube plus 3 times x square times 2 plus 3 times x times 2 square plus 2 cube, and that gives you x cube. 2 times 3 is 6, 6x square plus 2 square is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12x plus 2 cube is 8, right? So you get the same result, x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Either way, you can see that these two polynomials, x plus 2 whole cube and x cube plus 8, are not equal, right? So that is how we can say that these two are not equal. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.